What's up, my fellow YouTubers? Today we are reviewing an audio equipment. What are we reviewing today? Today we are reviewing an eBay special. Amplifier claims to be 500 watts, only costs like 15 bucks. Let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. 500 watts, made by Kinter. What is nice about this, it does come with wires. A power wire, 3 sets. Speaker wires for 2 speakers, but yeah, we're going to rig more than 2 speakers. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, some on the side, I don't know, like 6. Yeah, who really just wires only 2 speakers to a 2-wire set? Not this guy. Another neat feature is it has a volume control, as you see right here. And a low filter, an off filter, and a high filter, which is nice. If you want more bass, you turn it to low filter. If you want no bass, off. And if you want mostly vocals, you turn it high. It has a USB car charger, which is really nice. And an input. It does not come with input cables. You will still need to purchase a cable separately. That goes into here. And another part that looks like a microphone that goes into your phone or your laptop for audio. Okay, wiring is really simple. This is the power wire. Black is for ground, red is for positive, always on, and yellow is for switched. So plug that into your power, just like that. And when you turn your key to a switched position, the power will turn on, just like that. And now, plug in your speakers, just like so. And now that you have all your wires hooked up, and you have this wire into your laptop or your cell phone or CD player, MP3 player, let's see what it sounds like. As you can see, I don't have a radio. I do have a pressure gauge, I do have a wideband gauge, but no radio. So, let's see how this really works. What song to play? Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'd say it works decent. Not the best, you know, but this thing's already getting hot. For those few seconds, it's already getting hot. And that was at max settings, but what do you expect for 20 bucks? Not too bad, I guess. Try a different song, one that won't get me copyrighted. I just set my hand on there for half a second. My hand is... Damn! Oh. For like 30 seconds, that will blister your hand, man. Woo. It's alright, I guess. I mean, if you don't have speaker, well, if you don't have an amplifier, yeah, I'd get it, for sure. It's better than driving around, well... Besides the fact that it overheats very fastly, I don't know, man. Maybe if you can integrate your own fan. I don't know how hot these things are supposed to get, so let me know in the comments because I'm ignorant on these things. So in my opinion, is it worth it? No. No. Now if you can stack 2 or 3 together and if you can keep it cool, yeah, it'd be really worth it. But, God dang, that burned the stuff out of my hand, man. That's my review. Take it how you want to. Buy it if you want to. But, yeah.